Good morning. Man, I woke up feeling my worst this morning, guys. I am not doing very well this morning. I'm not feeling good at all. I'm in so much pain. Yesterday morning when I woke up, I felt some pain in my right side of my cheek right here. And, it wasn't bad at all, but I was wondering, like, where is that pain coming from? Like feels like it's my gum, like it's a toothache, like it's a gum pain and stuff. Like I don't know if it's a gum or a toothache, but I don't know what it is. If it's a toothache or it's just the gum irritated. So anyway, I went to the pharmacy and I bought some painkillers. I took the painkillers and I was fine. Oh my God, I woke up last night. I could not sleep. I just have this excruciating pain in my right cheek. So I keep taking Advil and I woke up this morning, guys, and look at my face. See this? Look at this. It is swollen. It is swollen. I just went to the dentist a couple months ago when I was back down in New York and did a cleaning and everything. The guy said everything was okay. I can't even speak. My right side is just heavy right now. I can't even speak properly. And he said everything was okay and I'm good. He did the cleaning. Maybe one of my filler fell out or something because I am in so much pain right now. And I'm in LA. I don't know anything down here. I don't know where doctors is. So I'm thinking maybe I should wait till tomorrow and go find a public dentist or public clinic where a dentist is and get this checked out, because look at this. See, this side is good. That side, look at my mouth. It twisted. Oh my God. I don't want to talk too much. I'll see you soon. I'm going to go lay down for a little bit. I'm going to take some more pills because I'm not feeling good at all. I'm in so much pain right now. I decided to get up and make myself some coffee. I'm not even sure what I'm doing right now at this point. Yeah, right now, I'm not even sure what to do because I know this is my first time in California. I've been here for 2 days now. I don't know where to go. I guess I should just ask the locals or Google a clinic or something. I feel like if I lay there feeling sorry for myself, I am going to be just there all day. So I'm just going to continue doing what I do, make my coffee and stuff like that. I'm not even sure if the coffee is good for this mouth, for the pain, if it's going to make it worse or not. But I'm feeling like shit. It hurts so bad. And I'm in a random place. I don't know what to do. body's all swelled up and my face looks horrible. I'm telling you, this is one of my worst days ever in car life. Being this nomad, like right now I wish I had a place to go, but I don't, you know. I don't know anybody here. I don't know anyone here. Okay, I'm gonna finish my coffee and try to figure this out. I'm in the worst pain ever, so I'm gonna make a warm compress. I've been taking Advil since yesterday. Actually, it's ibuprofen. It's almost finished. I took the whole thing. I only have 4 left. So I'm gonna take all 4. 4 left. Oh. Oh my God. I'm gonna make warm compress. I'm gonna do what we did. My grandmother used to do this up in Maroon Town back in Jamaica. I'm gonna try to get the swelling down. Oh. Sweet hot. I'm feeling so dizzy right now. I don't know, maybe I took too many Advil. Oh God. This is something I learned from my great aunt back in Jamaica, up in Maroon Town, up in the mountains. We didn't have much to work with, so we have to prepare our own remedy. I'm gonna be doing this for about 20 minutes, then lay back down for about an hour. I've been doing that for 20 minutes now, so the swelling, like you can see, the swelling went down. But I still have pain, so I'm gonna lay down and let the ibuprofen kick in. I'm feeling a little dizzy. Maybe I took too many ibuprofen. I slept for about an hour and I wake up feeling a lot better. The swelling went down. It's not completely down. It went down and the pain is not as bad as this morning. I'm just gonna keep doing the warm compress and take the ibuprofen. I'm going to the pharmacy to pick up some more ibuprofen and just do that and do some research and see where the next clinic and ask around, because there's got to be like a free clinic because those clinic, they have dentists, you know. Well, it's not completely free, but you know what I mean. It's not gonna break the bank. And you know, and try to get into the dentist chair tomorrow morning or sometime tomorrow afternoon. I'm just gonna do a walk-in. All right, I'm not 100%, but let's say I'm 40% better. This morning the pain was excruciating. And yeah, the warm compress works, and the ibuprofen together. So I'm feeling a lot better. I'm 40%. See, the swelling went down a lot. This side is okay. So I'm gonna drive to the pharmacy and pick up some more ibuprofen or something better. I don't know. I am in the pharmacy. The swelling went down. My mouth feel a lot better. A lot better. I'm doing a lot better. So I don't want this to happen again later. So I'm preparing for later because there's nothing open. There's no dentist office open today. So I'm going to have to wait for tomorrow. So I'm just preparing for tonight. So I came to find what I could use on my gum to make my life easier for today and for tonight, so I could get a good night's sleep. I hardly get any sleep last night. And some stuff here: 4X, toothache, and gum medicated. Here's some mouthwash too. I'm also gonna take one of these. This one is the cheapest. More of these ibuprofen, because that's what's helped me. It's been helping me. So this is the one I took and it helps. So I'm gonna get some more of these. All right, so there I have it. Good morning. It is the next day, so I am feeling a lot better. Like, I'm in no pain. I've been doing the warm compress. I'm not eating anything solid. I'm just eating like tomato soup and stuff like that. And I bought this mouthwash. And that mouthwash is a game changer. Oh my God, I just put it in my mouth, goggled it for about a minute or two, and that thing worked. It works like magic. And also, I'm taking the ibuprofen. I'm only taking 2 this time because 4 was way too much. And I'm feeling good. So I have a dentist appointment tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. and it's a neighborhood clinic, and they have a dentist. The lady at the supermarket, at Ralph's supermarket, a Mexican lady, she know about that place very well. So she recommended me. She gave me the number, and I called up and I told them it's an emergency, and they said, yeah, come in. So tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. I have the appointment. I feel like it's a filling fell out, and because of the cold weather, it just irritates my gum. And yeah, I'm gonna see what the dentist say tomorrow. I am going to end the video here because I don't want to be speaking too much and then my mouth start hurting again. So yeah, I'm just gonna take it easy until tomorrow morning when I see the dentist. The swelling went down a lot. Yeah, so, and I have no pain at all. I can feel a little tingling that still, it's not, that something is there and it's not quite healed. But I'm in no pain, and tomorrow morning, first thing, I am going to the dentist. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more great videos. Goodbye from California, and I'll see you next week. It's looking like it's back to normal.